go. I've got a stuck lock on a letterbox, and I'm thinking that a bit of WD-40, just a quick spray, is probably going to be all that it's going to need to get it going. But currently, putting the key in, putting it in the right way, but it just won't turn. It's just locked. It's been a little bit stiff over the last couple of days, so the problem is the key goes in, no worries, but it just won't turn. It's just fixed in place. So what I'm going to do is just give it a little squirt of WD-40, because frees sticky mechanisms, loosens rusted parts, cleans and protects, drives out moisture, stops squeaks. I'm saying all this because I've put up another video about how to undo a padlock, and I used WD-40, and there was talk of, oh, you shouldn't do it, you shouldn't do it. But I'll tell you what, it works brilliantly. I've done it on multiple locks now over a long period of time, and WD-40 is actually really good in locks. What I'm going to do is just put a little squirt into the lock, because I can't get my mail at the moment. I can't get in here. I'll just try that one little squirt and see how we go. Put that into there. Oh heck, instant result. I don't know if there was a bit of corrosion or what it was, but that's freed up the frees the sticky mechanism. It's freed up the sticky mechanism. That's now open, and I can, well, granted, I've sprayed a little bit of oil onto my mail just there, but hey, I can now get it out. So there we go. That's actually an amazing result. Look at that. That's now turning really, really freely. I would have normally put a little bit more in there, but I think that's actually going to be fine. So that's gone from it been getting tight to now working wonderfully.